Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can open agents using kingdom credits on Valorant. So currently I have 5,000 kingdom credits, and here you can earn kingdom credits by playing games, and you can like purchase accessories, agent gear, and like recruit agents um, by kingdom credits, I guess. So pick agents if you want to unlock the agent deadlock. Here I only have 5,000, but to like recruit them, one is like 8,000 kingdom credits. You can also use kingdom credits to open up accessories and stuff like that. Like here, purchase past battle pass accessories like cards, sprays, buddies, and titles with kingdom credits. Okay, so that's pretty cool. You can purchase like old sprays and stuff like that using kingdom credits, and here you can see the kingdom credits checkpoints here as well. I think 1,000 XPs equals to like 150 kingdom credits, and you'll have like a max of like 10,000, and that's like how you can open agents now. And I think you can still open it with XPs, as you can see here, but you'll earn kingdom credits by playing anyway, so make sure you do that. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!